Hi everybody, Practical Not Tactical Dad here. Another quick video for you. This is a pro tip video. Pro tip, get your pro tips. Anyway, today I am going to teach you how to draw on your S.A.K. Swiss Army knife, that is. Little crude humor for you. Never hurt anybody. That's alright. Here we have my Swiss Army knife. This is a Craftsman model. If you may or may not know, the Craftsman model does not come with the fish scaler / ruler / BS fish degouger, hook degouger. So I decided I was going to put a ruler on it. I wanted a ruler. So I made my own. As you can see here, made my own ruler markings. And to get them on there, used a Sharpie to mark them, fine point, and then my father-in-law gave me this. This is old school, folks, right here. This is probably from the 60s. It's an electronic pencil engraver. And he told me he used it in high school for a project once, gave it to me, and I said, yeah, I'll use it. I'll mark tools and stuff, you know, anything it needs marking. Works just like, kind of like a tattoo machine. Probably is a tattoo machine, just not made to look like one. Turn it on, draw your markings. But as you can see here, if you start the key ring, you can work your way up to the inch mark, 2-inch mark, 3-inch mark, and I got 1/2 and 1/4 inch marks in between. It is a wonderful little permanent hack. You can put on any of your S.A.Ks. Draw on your S.A.Ks, people. Put whatever you want on there. Quick pro tip video for you. Everyone get some. Thanks. Like and subscribe.